Welcome to the Beginner's Pack 1.0. In this video, I'll explain to you how to make use of your mouse. And every laptop comes with a mouse, a default mouse that you use to navigate and utilize your mouse pointer. And what a mouse pointer looks like. This is what a mouse pointer looks like. It can be moved left, right, vertically, and otherwise. So the purpose of a mouse is actually to be able to navigate your computer using the mouse pointer. So the mouse is built with these two buttons here. This one here is used for right clicking, and this is used for left clicking. And this area here is used to move the mouse pointer around. So as you can see, the pointer is moving from left to right. And this is done by just moving your hand on the mouse pad area. So this is what it does. It moves around, and that's the purpose of it. And in order to actually right click, you just click on this once, and then a menu will come up on your screen. So in order to select an option, you will left click, and this is how you left click. You click here once, and then it has been selected. So that is how to make use of your mouse. And in order to be very, very good at your mouse, you have to do a whole lot of practice. You'll learn how to right click and how to left click. This is used to bring up an option or a menu, and this is used to select from the options that has been presented to you. And this is used to move the mouse pointer around. Sometimes you might want to use an external mouse. Let me explain and show you how an external mouse works. So this is an external mouse, and this is a wireless mouse. It doesn't have a wire attached to it. So let me show you what a wired mouse looks like. So this is a wired mouse. It has a wired cable here. So the benefit of this is that you can actually move this around freely, but this actually has a little constraint. So it might actually limit you to how far your mouse can be moved. So I mostly prefer the wireless mouse because it gives me more room to move my mouse around. And the way the wireless mouse works, it has a dongle, a USB dongle. So without this dongle, the mouse will not be usable. And the wired mouse makes use of the wire. So the wire is connected to the mouse, and then the other end is connected to your laptop, just as this is connected to the laptop as well. So that's the difference between a wireless mouse and a wired mouse. So using the wireless mouse or the wired mouse is the same thing as using the default mouse that comes with your laptop. So the default mouse is just fixed on your laptop, and this mouse is external. So you have the same option to left click and right click, and then you have the scroll wheel. So this is used to scroll through a web page or a specific area of your laptop. So that's the difference between the default and the wireless mouse. So that's how it works. So I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please like, subscribe, and share to someone who might find it useful. And until next time, keep learning. Bye.